for yourself how easy and powerful Kyza is. One-time investment, no monthly fees, commercial license included. Limited time offer. Grab special discount coupon Kyzerly for instant 11% off Jet instant access to Kyza. 3.7K plus Kyza users have already captured 7x leads and topple sales in diverse niches. Won't you be the next one? Landing pages using Kyza. You also don't need to worry about traffic. Yes, they are all 100% SEO optimized pages that will help you to enhance your rankings effortlessly. Ability to undo and redo. You will have complete control to undo or even redo any actions on your built or being created landing pages. Advanced Pixels Integration. With this advanced Pixels integration feature, building a custom audience will be possible. Also, you can easily indulge in adding retargeting and analytics pixels, all in a single click. No hosting or domain needed. There is no need to invest in extra hosting services or even domain for your users' landing pages. Leave all to Kyza to do those without issues. Yes, they will be able to host their landing pages on our ultra-fast and secure servers. The truly stunning graphics kit. Graphics templates and inbuilt Pixabay integration. Kyza is loaded with different styles of graphics templates to catch your users by frenzy and never lose engagements and leads. The app also lets you the awesome inbuilt Pixabay integration. This will allow your users to get their hands on high-quality and engaging designs and graphics. Needless to mention, all these will help you to build your brand. Done for you graphics template pack for local niches. It is loaded with 20 plus local niches graphic templates pack that is designed by industry experts. These templates are available in different styles and shapes that works on any device and suitable for any platforms like social media, blogs, website etc. You are getting abstract images, stock photos, social media timeline covers images, logo kit, book cover templates, business cards, brochures and so much more. Conversion boosting Smart Optin Forms Suite. Smart Lead Generation Optin Forms. You will be able to access Smart Lead Generation Optin Forms, which, in turn, will lead to a higher collection of leads without running any expensive paid campaigns. Multiple opt-in forms for every marketing goal to capture leads. You will be able to capture leads with multiple types of forms. Yes, you have the freedom to choose from multiple form types, like lightboxes, splash, footer bar, header bar and boxes. Their transition on the desired pages can be activated with the animations available in the tool itself while publishing. And each opt-in form has its own application. Once you use diverse opt-in form types, you can grab leads the best possible way out of every marketing campaign easily. Opt-in forms can be used for lead generation, driving webinar registrations, running hook-based lead generation discounts and coupons, and offering campaigns for driving online event bookings and many other applications. AI-enabled smart pop-up form technology. Using this advanced tech, you will be able to showcase your offer as per the URL or the content your visitor is accessing. Yes, this new age AI-powered opt-in form shows your users a pop-up according to their interest. It helps you with easy user targeting based on their preferred URLs. Seamless opt-in forms integration with any page builder. The opt-in forms built using Kyza will work seamlessly with any of the leading websites, like WordPress, Shopify or even more. In turn, you get all the freedom to garner limitless leads across all platforms. GDPR and CAN-SPAM compliant lead generation. When it comes to lead generation using Kyza, you can be safe with a built-in checkbox for GDPR. You can reassure your users that their data is well protected and command a boost in engagements and opt-ins. Ability to reduce bounce rates. You can easily reduce your bounce rates with the inbuilt exit intent technology. Here, pop-ups will be shown that will be relevant to your users' interests, content and offers and more. In turn, it will make you fetch those leads. The powerful email autoresponder module. Drag and drop email editor technology. Leave all your worries to craft a powerful biz email to send to your list. Yes, because you have exclusive access to the inbuilt text and inline editor. In turn, designing and sending the best emails will be super possible. Easy email sending scheduling. It is up to you to easily send a mail right away or schedule one when required. Now, there is no need to do all on your own and waste the precious time you can devote to your biz. Seamless SMTP integration. You have an exclusive SMTP integration with our autoresponder tool so that your users can send emails using the SMTP that they prefer. Email personalization made possible. Now, personalizing your emails with your name, geolocation for enhanced engagements is extremely easy. Inbuilt smart email targeting technology. Using this advanced tech, you will be able to precisely target your visitors depending on their geolocations. This means you can drop emails right inside their email inboxes and boost open rates. Easy list import facility. Now, you can easily import an unlimited subscriber database. You can simply import from third-party apps. You can upload your list in CSV or Excel sheet formats from your own laptop and send limitless emails without backbreaking. In turn, you will be able to save plenty of time. Smart lead management system. Now, smartly managing your generated leads, segmenting them as per geolocation, interactions with your campaigns. Their past purchase or past action behavior in email autoresponder will be all easy. API integrations. Now, you will be able to integrate with any third-party tools to capture qualified leads. Wait, Kyza is loaded with many more fabulous features. Advanced analytics and DAMP. Reporting. You will be able to track the performance of your campaigns with deep analytics. Yes, you can access analytics for landing pages, emails sent, leads generated, opens and clicks and a lot more. Also, viewing the performance report of your campaigns will be possible, with the option to download it in any format of your choice. Live Chat Customer Support feature. You can easily let your users interact with the live chat support facility made available inside the dashboard. You don't need to do this and continue wasting your time. 100% newbie compatible and cloud hosted app. Using Kyza is extremely easy. Even if you have zero prior tech skills, you can use this module with relative ease. You also don't have anything to download or install. Kyza is cloud hosted and is accessible from anywhere in the world with an active internet connection. Step-by-step video training available. Access an easy and intuitive step-by-step video training included inside this app. This way, you can learn how to use this app at its fullest potential. Commercial license included. With this feature, you can use a landing page, opt-in form, graphics for you or even offer to customers looking for these at any price and enjoy 100% of every sale made. And a lot more. And all these blockbuster features make Kyza a must-have app for lead generation professionals, CEOs, MO seekers, local biz owners, product launchers and DAMP creators, affiliate marketers, digital marketing experts, SaaS professionals, hospitality industry, e-com marketers, B2B marketers, real estate agents, and possibly every other niche on earth. With this all-in-one business app suite, you are getting everything that you need to create. Sales funnel landing pages, product launch funnel pages, lead magnet funnel pages, webinar registration funnel pages, bonus pages, course funnel landing pages, marketing graphics, business logos, web banners, blog post banners, Facebook post banners, Instagram post banners, display ad banners, lead catchy opt-in forms, lightbox opt-in forms, pop-up opt-in forms, Splash opt-in forms. Footer bar opt-in forms. Header bar opt-in forms. Premium email sequences. Drip email sequence. Welcome email series. Commerce email newsletters. Discount offer promotion newsletters. Sales-driven emails. Customer support emails. Product launch email sequence. Festival and AMP. Event-based emails.